how important is this move to make ESPN Plus a key part of distribution of the NFL?
Yeah, look, I'd start by saying that we are now firmly in the Super Bowl rotation. We have more playoff games. We have more Monday Night Football. We have exclusive games for ESPN Plus, as you mentioned. We have highlights and surround programming. Importantly, we have scheduling flexibility, and we have long-term distribution flexibility, which was incredibly important to us. But we feel really good about the partnership that we have with the NFL and this renewal.
Yeah, it's interesting. You know, an 11-year deal, it seems impossible to imagine what the media and television landscape is going to look like 11 years from now. But I wonder, as you put more content, both these live sports and more original content on ESPN Plus, are you concerned that could drive cord cutting and damage what's been really central to ESPN's revenue?
Look, we are our overarching mission, Julia, is to serve the sports fan anytime, anywhere. In fact, I'd argue it's more relevant today than it's ever been. And so if our fans want to consume ESPN through traditional means like cable or satellite, we deliver. If they want to consume digitally through our app or through our website, we deliver there as well. The point is that we're successfully navigating the evolution in consumer choice. And we believe that we can be multiple things at the same time here and really run parallel paths. So we'll continue to acquire content for our traditional TV platforms, which are still quite valuable. And at the same time, we'll continue to build out ESPN Plus. And as consumers continue to gravitate towards direct to consumer, we have the optionality that we need and are well set up to serve them.
So at what point do you think ESPN Plus or the direct to consumer streaming could become bigger than the pay TV business? Or do you think it ever will get bigger than that?
Again, I'm not prepared to say one will get bigger than the other. You know, our focus is really on serving the sports fan. And that includes both direct to consumer and traditional television. And for 3+ years now, ESPN Plus just celebrated its 3rd anniversary, and it's going really well for us. It's the strategy of running these parallel paths has been working for us.
And give us a little bit of a sense of where the strategy for for ESPN Plus is going to go in the future. Are you going to be investing more in original content, more in sports programming? Where do you see that mix playing out?
Yeah, so look, our priorities are direct to consumer, quality storytelling, innovation. And so in terms of really the future of ESPN Plus, you know, we're doing so well in terms of our original content and, again, our quality storytelling. You know, and last year during the pandemic was no exception, where we brought so many projects to life. And then if you fast forward to today, if you look at what's actually happening on ESPN Plus right now, we have shows like Peyton's Places, Detail, Stephen A's World, all performing really well. And I'd also call out that ESPN Plus is the exclusive home for all 30 for 30s, which has really been a marquee product for us. And if you want all 30 for 30s, the only place where you can get them is ESPN Plus. But we have some really exciting things coming up for that platform. We have the Tom Brady series, Man in the Arena, which will explore each of his 10 Super Bowls. And I also have some news for you today, Julia. So later this year, our next 30 for 30 film will premiere on ESPN Plus. It will also then have a linear run, but it will premiere on ESPN Plus, and it chronicles the story of the '86 Mets. And it's called Once Upon a Time in Queens. And it will be a deep dive into the story of that iconic championship team. And it'll feature some of the top players, of course, like Doc Gooden, Darryl Strawberry, Lenny Dykstra. And Jimmy Kimmel is actually the executive producer on this one.
I have to ask, because there's been so much conversation about the increase in sports gambling. How is that going to impact your business? Is that a huge opportunity for ESPN going forward?
Yeah, look, for some time now, we've recognized that sports betting has become endemic to the overall sports fan experience, and that there's a growing expectation from our fans that sports destinations will offer seamless betting experiences. And we've also recognized that this is a really highly engaged audience. And as a result of that, our investment in the space over the past few years has really evolved. And fast forward to today, and sports betting content is a strong and vibrant part of ESPN across platforms. But the bottom line is we believe sports betting presents new growth opportunities for us to expand our brand, to expand our audience, and increase fan engagement.